Okay, y'all, before we get into this video, I just want to show y'all my skin a while back when I first moved. It was going through it, girl. And it really took a toll on me because I was moving, I was stressed out. And so I incorporated some new products into my nighttime skincare routine, specifically because some products you can only use at night. And yeah, girl, I just wanted to show y'all this before we even get started. I'm very transparent. I just want y'all to know my skin is not always perfect, but with products and being consistent, you can definitely have the glass skin that you want. So let's just hop right into the video. So y'all, we're just gonna hop right into this nighttime skincare routine on how to get glowy, smooth skin while you sleep. And this video is sponsored by Sephora, but genuinely, I do use these products and I get all my products from Sephora. So thank you so much, and let's just hop right into it. Okay, so first things first, we gotta start with the cleanser. So I go in with this Dr. Zenobia 10% benzoyl peroxide. I love this because it not only does it have 10% benzoyl peroxide, it does have aloe in it, which is gonna calm the skin. And this cleanser does help keep my skin so clear. It smells like the spa, and it's very gel-like. So I like to apply this like as if I was applying a mask and let it sit. And then I go in with my Foreo cleansing device, and I just go ahead and massage the cleanser into my skin. So I do recommend using a disposable towelette to dry your face, just because towels can collect bacteria and I don't want that touching my face, which is going to cause more acne and breakout. So I like using a disposable towelette. So next I go in with a toner, and this is a glycolic acid 7% by The Ordinary. I just started getting into this brand. It's very affordable, and I love that they just have great active ingredients in their products. The benefits of glycolic acid, if you do not know, it fades hyperpigmentation and also makes your complexion really nice and smooth. So I really like using this toner, and I do allow my toner to dry before moving on to the next step. Okay, girl, I'm about to put you on this tea. So this is an exfoliate by Paula's Choice 2% BHA liquid exfoliant with salicylic acid. And I don't know if y'all know the benefits of salicylic acid, but it helps break down pimples and unclogged pores. So this is basically your bestie when it comes to having clear skin. And you are going to want to do this every other night, because you don't want to exfoliate every night because it can be a little harsh on your skin. But girl, this Paula's Choice exfoliate is a game changer. You need to grab this. Okay, y'all, the next product we're going to get into, I absolutely love. This is the Foreo UFO 2. It is a sheet mask, but girl, this sheet mask is a game changer. If you have not seen my previous vlogs, you know I talk about this product all the time. This basically has thermotherapy, heating sensation, so it's going to open up your pores and then allow products to penetrate deeper into your pores. So it's just opening up your pores and then allowing the product to just sink in and work, girl. And this alone just has my skin always so glowy and dewy. I just love it so much, I swear. Okay, so now we're going to get into serums, and this is the Ordinary Niacinamide 10% and then zinc 1%. I just started incorporating niacinamide to my skincare routine because it helps balance out oils, and also it does help with like textured skin. So you know those little bumps you may get like that don't even have anything, that's just basically textured skin. So this is going to help with that, and I just really love that I incorporated this into my nighttime skincare routine. So yeah, it does exactly what it's supposed to. So next I'm going to go in with this Honeymoon Glow. This is a night serum and it's very moisturizing to the skin. I don't go to sleep with a moisturizer on my face and I need something to moisturize it. So I would rather use a serum than a moisturizer. So yeah, so this is what I use. And it also does help with fine lines and wrinkles. It's never too early to start preventing wrinkles, girl, okay? So make sure you incorporate this into your skincare routine so you can prevent fine lines and wrinkles, girl. So the next product I will be applying is a retinol. I feel like every girl needs to have a retinol in their skincare routine, girl, because retinols just help with fine lines and wrinkles, and it helps acne, and it also helps brighten up dull skin. I hate when my skin is looking dull. I just love when my skin is looking dewy, and while I'm asleep, the retinol really helps to, you know, keep working on my skin to help it, you know, look its best. And then lastly, I apply my vitamin C rose oil. This has vitamin C in it, which is going to help brighten up the skin, even out skin tone, because girl, we love to have bright, even skin, okay? Period. So I apply this oil and it helps me look really dewy, and it just has my skin looking really nice.
I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby, I'm trusting you, I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you, I'm trusting you, babe.
So the last product I apply is a lip balm. This is the Laneige lip treatment. I love Laneige products because they have me waking up with moisturized, hydrated lips, girl. So this is their new lip balm they just came out with. I used the regular one, but I wanted to give the lip treatment a try, and I really like it. And it really smells really good, so that's always a plus. So yeah, I just apply this on my lips. So the last item I'm going to put y'all on are these Daily Cleanse Hum Vitamins. If you're not new here, you know these are my ish. I take these every single day, morning and night. You take 2 capsules at any time of day with or without food. And it basically helps clear your skin, girl. Yes, clear your skin from within. I mean, I just showed y'all all the topicals that I use, but it's nothing like something that is going to help from within, because you just never know what's really breaking you out for real. It could be something you're eating or what, but this helps detox your skin. And girl, when I tell you this has changed my skin, it has literally changed my skin, and I'm so happy I came across these, and I'm here to put you on. You need to grab these, add them to your routine. So easy. So yeah, make sure you pick these up because these vitamins are it, okay? Okay, girl, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram because I'm always posting on there. I'm very active. And yeah, happy clear skin, girl, while you sleep, because girl, it's nothing like going to bed with glowy skin, and that's just period. So I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all next video. Bye.
You